want to learn to be able to re-establish my terminal if I ever lose it. And I want to learn how I configured it so that I can modify it later. The terminal that I use is iTerm. It's right here. Notice the prompt is very simple. It's just a $sign. I want to remember how I made it that way. The width of the terminal screen, the color, the size of the font, the number of rows in the terminal screen. How I configured iTerm to look the way it looks. I opened the preferences for iTerm. They are here. My iTerm only has one profile, and it's called default. I could have more, and each of the other ones can be configured in a similar manner as to the way I'm configuring this one. Okay, so for default, and notice I'm under profiles here, I can change colors, I can change the fonts of the text, I can adjust transparency, determine the number of columns, which determines how wide the terminal is, and the number of rows, how high it is. On this tab, there's some useful stuff. For example, it can let you, when you click on a file name, it'll launch an editor, so you can edit that file. But at this point in time, I don't need to learn about those things. But just for future reference, if I need to, I'm sure there's YouTube videos that'll show me how to do those things too.